Jewish kids. And we're at the aquarium in Chicago. So I hope you like what you see. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Y'all, so we got the dolphins now. Ooh, look at them. Yes, they are. Is it? Well, seals, dolphins. I don't know what they are. I forgot what we found. Ooh. Whoa. So now, I'm gonna get her to watch this pretty movie. We have London, Paris, and my dad. And we have me. London, why you being old sitting down? You only 7. I mean 6, my bad, I forgot. And look, he knocked out, y'all. Let's get a close up. And that's my crazy dad. Acting cray. They are called a lake sturgeon. It's a shark shaped like sturgeon. Has no scales. Okay, touch one. It's a little piece on the tongue. I want to see. Don't touch his mouth though. Ooh.
Why can't we touch
Go
it?
ahead, get it, Bonnie. Go touch it. It won't come on, get it. Look. Mama, go ahead. Mama, let all them go there. Okay, come on. Go. Think about these. Tell me what you think about them. Look at me when you're talking. Look at the camera. No, look at the camera. Step back. Step back. Step back.
I can't go behind.
So, young, what you think about them? They look nasty? You don't like them? Oh, they're so adorable. What about these fish? Tell me something about these fish. What color are they?
It's blue.
Okay, what's coming from their mouth? Huh? Okay, y'all, so this is the live eating plant. It eats things and it breaks off from itself. I thought that was so cool. I don't know what it's called though. It doesn't have a name, but yeah, cool. Me neither. They got something to say what type of fish that is. Oh, it's right here. My camera right now, so I'm not the best quality, but I feel it's give me in my video, like, you know, check out my hair. I love it. But yeah, I'm here in Chicago with my fams. We having fun. Let me show you this fish with his brain. They see his. Are you enjoying yourself, London? Say hey, YouTube family. You didn't even say it to the camera. Ooh, this is pretty. I wish I was a mermaid sometimes. Yes, y'all, I wish I was a mermaid. Come on. Ooh. London, look at the sky. Look. Look up in the air there with the camera. I got different stuff showing. That's cool. But it's cool. A legend lived here. Ooh. Look at this big fish. Oh, look at his nose. Look at his nose on him.
I saw that on the board.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that teeny tiny fish?
Mm-hmm. The schools of fish and stuff. And y'all, my dad trying to vlog too. He actually brought his camera today. But Dad, this could be your first YouTube video. And Paris over there, y'all, he keep walking away from us. We're going this way. I can put a video up for YouTube. Hey y'all, welcome. We at the Shedicarium. Say hey, Lana. Grandpa recording too. Dad, you gonna be on YouTube, just so you know. This is my YouTube video.
Alright. How you doing? We in the city.
Say,
South.
say welcome. Say welcome, all things Tory 123 family.
Welcome all things 1, 2, 3 Tory. Let's go. Yeah.
Welcome to the all things Tory 123 family. Yes, it is.
This is the wonderful city of Chicago. Short Aquarium in a big city. All the amazing things you can see. So make sure you remember us.
Hey, it's looking good. Hey, y'all. We're chilling. Like, totally. Niggas like, what the heck? He's taking our pictures. With Victoria. Oh. Yeah. Best friend. Left. He said love. We going in the what? In the prison to try to escape. See y'all soon. You scared? You scared? See y'all later. Y'all, we tried to break out of prison. We did not succeed. It was a fucking fail. Thank you for enjoying this vlog. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all next time. But if y'all in Chicago, check out the Fox in the Box escape room. You will not regret it. We had the time of our life. But yeah, I love y'all. And comment down below if you want me to do more vlogs and things like that. See you soon. Bye.